I'm looking for a German Shepherd.
You lost one and you hoping to adopt?
Dog. We don't get many puppies.
You got a lot of great dogs. I mean, let me take you back. Take a look. Think about
I know you can do it.
Find him! We have him! We have him down the cliff! We have him!
They can't hit me.
Hey, shut up! Everyone stop talking! Listen!
It's Ruby. You're the lady from the shelter.
it. You found my son?
Yeah, it wasn't me. It was Ruby.